So we've reached the end of the first part of our photo upload journey, and that's dealing just with the API. And if we take a look at the summary of what we've done here, we've taken a look at the photo storage options, and we have selected Cloudinary as our option to store our photos. There are other options, of course. It doesn't have to be a specialized image service, but the one from Cloudinary gives us integration with .NET Core, and it makes it quite nice to upload and delete our photos, and it gives us a secure way of doing so with an API key and an API secret. So we added a photo accessor to our infrastructure project, and we included two methods in the interface that we then use to inject into our application handler, and then we're able to upload photos and delete photos from there. And we also added the functionality to set the main photo for a user as well. So with this in place in the API, there's no prizes for guessing what's coming up next, and it's the client side of the photo upload. And we're going to take a look at that next.